So let's add our sidebar. You can go to Bootstrap and here you have examples and we have sidebar. Okay, so inside the Bootstrap website you have examples and you have sidebars, and let's add the sidebar that we have here. So you need to inspect the elements and copy the elements like this and find a website that formats the HTML for free. You can use this one if you want. Paste everything here and click format, and we have our code formatted. Okay, because here, as you can see, let's close this extra dev tool. As you can see, we have here the content of HTML is not organized or formatted. Okay, let's copy it and add it here inside our sidebar, and let's format or refactor our content so it's not done correctly. Okay, so sometimes the extensions are not working properly inside the VS Code. Let's organize it manually. So what we have here, we have this link first, which has the sidebar. Let's change it to admin dashboard. And what else we have? We have this li or this ul, not li, this ul. ul has some links. Let's change this one to dashboard. Or so we have admin dashboard. Let's make it home. Okay, we can use home if you want. And let's see what we have here. So the link that we have here, let's change it to the routes, which is admin.index. And what else we have? The second one, let's make it categories. And as I told you, you will get, or you will add categories yourself, and here add routes. And I think this one we don't need it, and also this one and this one. Okay, let's remove them. And what else we have here? We have here name of the admin. You can add it. Okay, we will add it also. Let's refresh and see what we have here. If not here inside the front end, but the back end. So here is our admin dashboard. We have the home page. If we click, we are in the home page. You have also the categories. As I told you, you will add categories yourself. And here we have, let's add only, or let's skip only sign outs. Let's check. So here admin dashboard, or we can make it dashboard only. I think dashboard is better. Let's refresh and see. So dashboard is better than admin dashboard. Okay, let's keep, as I said, only, where is it? So here only sign out, and we can use it, I think, inside what we have navbar here. So navbar, I think we can remove it and use only this one that we have here. So here, let's go back. Let's bring back. So here we have new projects, settings and profile. Where is name? Name is here. This one. We can. Okay, let's do something. We can paste it here and save. Let's refresh the page and see what we have. So hello admin, and we have this image. You can keep it or remove it. What else we need? We need sign out that we have here. We can use the same thing as we have here. Let's go back. We have this link. Link is sign out. Okay, let's paste here. And what we have this form that has the ID of admin logout. And let's give the link that we have here, sign out link. Let's give it the on click. Okay, so save. Let's refresh the page. So now we need, let's remove this navbar, we don't need it. Let's delete it and remove it from app.blade.php. Yes, the app.blade.php, we remove the navbar and we save. Let's refresh again. And as you can see, we have the home page. When you add categories, once you click on the category, you will be redirected to the category. And here, if I click on sign out, so I am logged out. So we don't have admin dashboard. So the dashboard is the home page. Okay, let's try to log in again. Let's provide the code, submit, and we are logged in. Okay. If you want to add this class to the current route, you can add it using, you can test, let's go to the dashboard here. You can add also another file to add sidebar. Okay, you can add another file here, name it sidebar.blade.php and include it here. It's better than using the code inside the dashboard. Okay. And as I told you, if you want here, so this, as you can see, so this link has the class active. You can check using, I think, the request, and the request has a method called is route. So if the route is admin.index, we give this link the class active. Okay, let's do something. We need to use the test like this and we give it active. If not, we give it nothing. Okay, let's save and see if it is working. Let's refresh the page. So I think we have a problem here. This one, I think we need without single quotes. We need to add active without single quotes. I think that's why it's taking a long time, because let's see, because we had an error. Let's see. So now it's refreshing. I think that the error doesn't have, I think here, or route. I think this method request, I think route is, or is route. I forgot the name of the method. Let's check what we have here. So the method is route doesn't exist. I think route is like this. Let's refresh and see if it is the right. I think yes, it's correct. So route is, but here we need to make single quotes like I have done before. Let's refresh and now it's working. Okay, so we are in the home page. The active class is added. Let's do something. I think we don't have any other routes. For example, let's see what we have here inside the web. We have logout, task delete. I think we don't have any other route to test, but I'm sure that it will work. You can add another route, which is the category, and you will add here the same thing inside the class. So this class that you have here, this class here, you will add the same thing as I have done here. You test if the route is categories.index. So then you check, or you add active class here for the categories. If you want to make sure, let's do something. Let's copy the same class from here, or the same test, and add it here inside our second class of the second link. Let's refresh the page and see. So as you can see, two classes are, or the two links are active. When you add the category routes, this one will be not active, the home, okay? So just to make sure that it's working. So I think that's all for our project. It was a long project. We have added everything, so for the front end and also for the back end. I hope you did enjoy it. If yes, hit the subscribe button and see you in my next projects.